Hey, hey, hey. This is Remya Warrior, and I'm coming to you from Remya Warrior Designs. And today I'm here all excited to talk to you about my new show that is going to be starting from next Wednesday. So, um, what I am doing is I'm actually expanding my business and going from Remya Warrior Designs to Kitchen Designers New Jersey. Now, this show is going to be for you if you want to get some design tips, interior design tips, kitchen design tips, in order to incorporate that into your home. So it's going to be jam packed with as much information as possible because I want you to know and believe that you are already living in your dream home. And that, I can help you make that happen. You are totally going to be able to bring beauty into your home within your own budget, within whatever you decide is the right budget. And let's make that happen. I want to make sure that I can empower you and I can basically help you create the dream home that you so deserve. So please join me starting next Wednesday at 3 p.m. And I'm also looking to interview a couple of people within my industry, other interior designers who can bring some tips for the people who are going to be watching the show. I'm also looking to talk to contractors who could probably bring in some information, tile stores, anybody within the trade who wants to have the exposure, but who was able to come on and give some really good, valid information. Because we know that your time is very, very important. So I want to keep all my shows really precise. I want to keep it short, and I want to make sure that I bring value for the time that you take to spend and listen to me speak. All right, so it's going to be a wonderful show, and we are going to bring you a lot of information. So stay tuned, and I am very excited to start this next Wednesday at 3 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're going to be there with me. Bye bye.